Google built an empire by organizing the world's information. OpenAI may be building something even bigger. Not a search engine, not a social network, but a new front door to the internet. More people are starting with ChatGPT instead of starting with Google. That single behavior shift changes everything. People don't open browsers first anymore. They open ChatGPT. They don't type keywords. They ask questions. They don't scan 10 blue links. They get one answer. Fast, direct, personal. Google's original advantage was discovery. Whoever controls discovery controls demand. If people searched on Google, businesses had to show up there. That created an endless advertising machine. Search became habit. Habit became dominance. ChatGPT removes the search step. You ask. It answers. No middle layer, no guessing keywords, no clicking around. That feels better. And humans always choose what feels easier. Trust is slowly moving. Not because ChatGPT is perfect, but because it explains, it reasons, it summarizes. Even when it's wrong, it feels helpful. People don't optimize for accuracy. They optimize for convenience. Open ChatGPT, ask a question, get an answer, repeat. That loop is forming millions of times per day. Once something becomes a habit, it stops being optional. It becomes infrastructure, just like search once did. This is the problem for Google. Google makes money from clicks. ChatGPT reduces clicks. If answers live inside the interface, there's no reason to visit websites. That doesn't kill Google overnight, but it breaks the foundation. OpenAI isn't chasing ads first. They're chasing behavior first. Control the interface. Own the questions. Monetization comes later. This is classic platform strategy. Microsoft saw this early. That's why they invested. If ChatGPT becomes default, Microsoft becomes the infrastructure behind it. Cloud, enterprise, APIs, everything flows through that pipe. This isn't a search war. It's an interface war. Links versus answers. Typing versus asking. Search versus conversation. History shows how this ends. Google replaced Yahoo. Mobile replaced desktop. Each shift looked slow, then sudden. OpenAI isn't trying to kill Google. They're quietly replacing where the internet starts. And whoever owns the starting point owns everything downstream. Most people won't notice the change until it's already happened. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time on the Strategy Layer.